Welcome, students, to an exciting new chapter. Yes, you heard it right.
Gyaanam Edutech is reborn, and it's bigger, better, and more informative than ever before.
We're bringing you a fresh wave of knowledge. Our commitment to you? Consistent uploads of captivating content.
Lectures are just around the corner. But that's not all. We're not sticking to textbooks.
We're diving into a realm of variety. From videocasts to short bursts of wisdom, facts, history, and untold stories. Prepare for an adventure.
Stay tuned, because this journey's meant for you.
Don't just hit subscribe. Catch us on Instagram too.
Double tap your way into extra content and behind-the-scenes magic. Join us as we unlock the doors to endless learning. Gyaanam Edutech, where knowledge is the supreme goal. Get ready for a brighter, smarter future. Hit that subscribe button and embark on this journey with us. Stay curious. Stay enlightened. Gyaanam Edutech.